In this video, I am going to explain how to upload a video into your YouTube channel. So here you can see that this is my YouTube channel, Piyush KP. So for uploading a video, you can click on this icon, create a video or a post. So you can click on this. If you are not having 1000+ subscribers, this create post option will not be there. You will be having only these two options. So for uploading video, you can click on this upload video. So you will be taken to an upload video window. So here I am going to upload the video. So click on select files. Then go to your folder where you have kept the video. So I have opened the folder. I am going to upload this video. So you can select the video, click on open. So you can see that the video uploading process has started. Then here you can give the actual title of the video, what you are going to upload. So whenever you are uploading a video, your title and description is very much important, because whenever somebody is searching a particular title, first thing the user is seeing is your title, right? So your title should be clear, and it should give correct information to the user who is searching for a video. Whatever he is searching for, he should be able to read from the title itself, and a small description also you should give. So first I am giving the title. I have given the title as best free screen recording software OBS. So whenever you are giving a title, you should keep in mind that that title will be seen by the user. So whatever the user will be searching for in the net, almost that same title you should be able to give it in YouTube. So many views you will be getting. And I have given a small description of the OBS software. In addition to that, I have given a link for downloading the OBS software from the net. Then the next option you need to do is that you need to upload the thumbnail. Thumbnail means when you are displaying the video in the YouTube, what will be shown in the front. So you need to show it, that is known as a thumbnail. So I am going to add a thumbnail. You can click on upload thumbnail. I have already created a thumbnail for this video. So this is a thumbnail I have created. So whenever your video is displayed in YouTube, you will be getting this thumbnail as in the front of the video. So directly by seeing the thumbnail itself, you are able to identify this is about a screen recording software known as OBS. So that is the use of thumbnail. Then you can come down. Then you need to select this option. No, it is not made for kids, because this is for configuring the audience. So you can select this option because it is not meant for kids. Then you can click on more options. In this more options, you can come down here. You should give the tags. Tags means it is a small keyword kind of thing, because whoever is typing, whoever is searching for something in the net, they will be using the tags. Say if you want to search some video regarding OBS, I will be typing OBS tutorial. So whatever the user is typing in the net can be added as a tag in this video. So whatever tag it is coming into my mind, you can add it here. So if you are adding more tags, there is more chance for displaying your video to the user, or visibility of your video will be more if you are having more and more, if you are adding more and more tags in the video. So now I have added all the tags whichever it is coming into my mind. How many other tags you can add it here. Then when you are scrolling down, you can give the video location here. For time being, I am adding my location as Kovai Pudur. Then most of the information that is to be given, it is over. Then you can click on next. Right here it will be asking for an end screen. So you are going to add an end screen. End screen means when your video is over, you can give another link to some other video of yours. So you can click on this add. and if you want to give a link to one of your another video, you can say I'm going to select this. I'm selecting the end screen. Here I can choose my own video which I have already done. So say I'm going to add one video here. So I have added one of my video here. In this place, my most recent upload will be coming here. So this is known as the end screen, right? You can click on save, then click on next. So I am not going to add any card. You can click on next. Then here you are going to publish the video. It is asking whether your video is a private video, unlisted video, or public video. Private means only you and your people can see that. Unlisted means if you are searching about this video in YouTube, it will not be displayed, but you can share the video link to others so that others can view it. That is known as unlisted video. But now I am going to keep this video as public. So whoever is typing in the net should be able to see this video. So I am giving publish. So now your video is published and you will be getting the video link here. So in the channel videos you can see all the videos which I have published. So this is a recent video which I have published now. So you can click on this icon to see that video in the YouTube itself. So now you can see that the video is playing in YouTube. So this is how you are uploading a video to YouTube.